Now let's extend our ideas from linear equations to systems of linear equations. So here we have P equations with Q unknowns that we want to solve for. So we write this general form with the coefficients of the variables from x1 to xq, with the first subscript stating which equation that this coefficient belongs to. So these coefficients belong to equation 1, these belong to equation 2, and these belong to equation P. And the second subscript specifies which variable the coefficient belongs to. So this belongs to the variable x1, this to x2, and this coefficient belongs to xq. And the subscript of the constant on the right hand side says which equation that the constant belongs to. Now in general, the solution to this system from S1 to SQ is an ordered tuple. So it's a sequence in the same order as the unknown variables that we want to solve for. And for the special case, when Q equals 2, we call this an ordered pair. And when Q equals 3, which is the three-dimensional case, we call this an ordered triple, and so on.